Embrace the morning silence. In the silence of the early morn, there exists a serenity that transcends the chaos of the waking world. The Stoics, such as the venerable Seneca, beckon us to seize this moment, to commune with our inner self before the tumult of the day unfurls. In the quietude, we find strength, as Epictetus would say. We cannot choose our external circumstances, but we can always choose how we respond to them. Contemplate impermanence. As the sun casts its first rays upon the world, let us contemplate the impermanence of all things. Marcus Aurelius, the Stoic emperor, teaches us that in recognizing the transience of life, we unlock the power to endure. Very little is needed to make a happy life, he whispers. It is all within yourself, in your way of thinking. Practice negative visualization. In the stillness of dawn, envisage the challenges that may lie ahead. Stoicism invites us to embrace negative visualization, not as a harbinger of despair, but as a preparation for the inevitable. As the Stoic sage Epictetus reminds us, he who fears death will never do anything worth of a man who is alive. Invoke the wisdom of the ancients. Before the world clamors for attention, immerse yourself in the timeless wisdom of Stoic philosophers. Seneca, Epictetus, and Marcus Aurelius stand as sentinels of sagacity. Allow their words to seep into your consciousness, for in the words of Seneca, true happiness is to enjoy the present without anxious dependence upon the future. Cultivate gratitude. With the dawn's first light, let gratitude blossom within you. Recall the words of Seneca, who declared, true happiness is to enjoy the present without anxious dependence upon the future. Gratitude is the cornerstone of Stoic joy, a shield against the storms that may assail us throughout the day. Exercise the discipline of action. As the world awakens, fortify your will with disciplined action. Seneca's counsel echoes through the ages. It's not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste much of it. Seize the day with purpose, for in the arena of life, action tempers the soul. Accept the uncontrollable. As shadows yield to the sun's ascent, acknowledge the limits of your control. Epictetus urges us to discern between what is within our power and what lies beyond. We cannot choose our external circumstances, but we can always choose how we respond to them. Embrace the immutable reality, finding solace in the Stoic understanding that true freedom lies in accepting the uncontrollable. As the morning unfolds, may we walk the Stoic path with silent determination, forging resilience in the crucible of dawn. Let Stoicism be our guide, a beacon in the tempest of life, urging us to master the art of self-control and fortitude. The journey is arduous, but in the footsteps of the Stoic sages, we find the strength to navigate the labyrinth of existence.